Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Kat, again. Today is August 11th, Tuesday, and we are heading out to the store. I'm gonna check out this new place that I've been once, and I went there really fast. It's called Zion Market. It's a Korean market, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like inside, and check out my new shades. I got some Gentle Monster dupes off of Amazon. So, I don't know if that's allowed, but I'll do that. Anyways, I will check in with you guys in a little bit and show you the market. And Don went to the office. We were just chilling, me and the kids. All three of them I got packed back behind me. So we're gonna be extra careful, put our mask on, stay in the cart, wipe it down, make sure it's clean. This is crazy COVID shopping style. I'll check you guys out in a little bit. Why do you look like that? Huh? There's the smile. Levi. Denver. We've got Paris Baguette on the left. Okay, and we're going. And you can see BTS members. The candy shop? We can get some. I'm gonna go in here. No. And then we're gonna look for some purple rice. Always gotta stay in the cart, cleanest way. It's got seafood here, fresh lobster, crabs, really clean market. There's barely anyone in here. Here you go. Myself some of this Napa kimchi. Got tons of stuff. Guys, do you see what I see? I got all of them, and they got the cold brew, but this one tastes so good because I already tried it. Yep, they're all here, guys. Down here, boys got their candy except for Denver. And we're just walking out. There's some Korean shops around selling masks. This is the way back out where we came in. And I'm gonna stop by Paris Baguette. Or, yeah, Paris Baguette. There's so much bun. You guys want anything? Ooh. Look at strawberry pond thingy. Looks like they got some good stuff. Got home and Denver pooped. Đi thay tả con. Đi. Đi. Come on. Oh no. Oh yeah, temper tantrum. Đi thay tả nằm xuống, mau lên, hurry. Giỏi. Denver, hello.
Mommy, can you get Denver out? We're playing
Denver, hello. Denver, qua đây nè, John Carter chơi kìa. Denver, con này. Hello. Hi. Bye bye. Say love you. Look at this kid. Pulls up a chair, tiptoes up here just to eat. Okay. They love it. You guys lunch. Watching TV. The baby is napping. I'm tired now. I have to fold clothes. Got these flowers yesterday at Kroger on sale, and it's on sale, so it looks like this, but it was only like 99 cents, and I had to get it. The tulips were on sale. Also, this was on sale, so I plugged it yesterday. A little wildflower is going. This is kind of not happening good. Getting ready for fall. You guys know that I've been into Kdrama lately, and I have a sewing machine in my house, and I've been making BTS masks. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. Hold on. So I have all the colors of their emblem, like that represents their my color. So this is green. So this is V. You can pinch the nose, and well, the band is black, but whatever. And I have this. It goes down to the chin. It covers really nicely, and I've been kind of breaking out from wearing masks so much. So this is the inside of it. This has that nose piece in here. This has a filter slot that you can stick the filter in, change it out, wash it. And I also sewed this Mante from It's Okay to Not Be Okay, the doll that catches your nightmares in this little book. Then I went to the store yesterday. Well, I went to the store over the weekend, Ross, and we were just shopping around because, I don't know, I just like to buy home stuff, right? Then I saw on the toy section area a Jungkook BTS Mattel doll, and it was him. And then I saw another one of him. I'm like, whoa, there's two. So I was like, I'm not gonna get it because it's ridiculous and, you know, it's weird. Then I came home, I regretted it, and I'm like, no, I should have gotten it because I could have gotten it for my niece because she loves BTS and she loves Jungkook too. So I called, and then they said they had it still yesterday, and then they said they actually have three. So I told them to just put it on hold for me. I'll rush up there and get it, and then Don after work drove me out there to get it. It was actually 20 minutes from my house. So that is that. That was my weekend. That's what I'm doing. And I also have all, like my sister. So this is what I have. All the colors. I got the pink, the red, the purple for Jungkook. I got the green for V. I even got silver. I have gold for Jimin. And I also have this, which is the one that I wear. And I love it, and I use it for sugar. You can't see it, but once I iron it onto the fabric, then it comes out to be like this. It's like a holographic color, which is very nice because Sugar's microphone is black. Oh, I think I have blue. Oh, I ran out of blue. So yeah, I've been doing those. So yeah. This is my sewing station, which is a mess right now. But yep, this is my sewing station. See there? I put a rack and put all the fabric and stuff in there. The kids' toys are just over there, so it is a mess. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to show you what went on over the weekend, and that is all. Yeah. Now I need to water my plants. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a snack, and I just discovered this from Costco, and it is so good. I just wanted to share with you guys this dip. It's so good. Spinach artichoke parmesan dip spread. I'm gonna eat it with some bell peppers. So good. Delicious. Miyari? Alright, so I am going to be making some gimbap for dinner. This one pulls up a chair Grabs a wooden spoon, just spanking everything. No, this all. Bad boy. Do it to mommy. And
Skittles?
uh-oh. Carter took a late nap. This is Carter's musubi. His daddy's musubi with kimchi in there. And this is mommy's with radish.
Sit down. And làm dấu. And mời ba ăn.
Carter's, daddy's with kimchi, and mommy's with radish. Zinkle time.
A cake
Look at
and a
this one.
dog.
A cake
Levi?
and a dog. This is how we play. Just to move it faster.
Levi. A cake.
What's wrong with you, Carter? Let me
Right
see.
here.
I'm not even calling it.
It's
You're not gonna
okay.
get ice cream.
All right, we're getting ready for moonlight. Is it bright?
It's not adjusted correctly yet.
Okay, guys, let's adjust this. Yay, so I finally put Denver to bed. And the boys are all sleeping and quiet. Now I'm in my room, about to watch some K-drama before I go to bed. So I just wanted to say goodnight, guys, and thanks for watching.